how to fix Messenger create a room not showing. So if you're not being able to find the option which says create a room on Messenger, then first of all let's open up the Messenger, and here below the search bar you will have the room option, right? So if you don't find that room option, then you can simply go back, and first you need to check is that if you have an update or not. So if you have an update on Messenger, then you might be facing this kind of problem. So you must update your application. To update, first you can open up your Play Store application, and then here you will have a search bar. Simply tap on that search bar and then search for Messenger. And after opening Messenger, if you have an update instead of this open option, then you can simply tap on update and you have to update your Messenger application. So even after updating, if your problem doesn't fix, then you can go back, and here you can open up your settings, and then you can go for apps and notifications, and you can open up your Messenger, and you can simply tap on storage and cache, and then you can tap on clear cache, or you can also tap on clear storage. But if you don't remember your login information, then don't tap on it, because it will erase all of the login information like your email address or your password. So simply go back, and then you can open up your Messenger, and here you can go for the upper left corner which has the 3-bar icon, and then you can go for settings which is on the upper right corner, and here you can go for report a technical problem, and then tap on report problem, and here you have to simply explain about the problem. That you can say that I'm not being able to find the option of create room on my Messenger application, and you can simply describe about your problem. And after describing, you can also add some screenshots, and then you can simply tap on send, which is on the upper right corner, and that's it. And after that, Messenger can help you with your problem. It might take a few days, like 1 or 2 days, and then you will get an email on your Gmail account which you have used to create your Messenger account. So Messenger will guide you with some steps, or it can provide you some information about that. So that's it. These were the few fixes to your problem, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.